What's up, guys? So today we have a 1996 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel. It's the Laramie SLT package. It's got the 12 valve in it, completely stock, unmolested. It's had a lot of work done to it. The transmission has all been rebuilt, so it is a built transmission. And this is probably one of the strongest, this is the strongest running truck that I've ever drove. Front end work, everything's been redone. The Dodge death wiggle has been taken care of. We have the running boards with the lights. At night, it looks really sweet with everything turned on. We have a weather guard toolbox. It is four-wheel drive. Brand new exhaust with the mud flaps. And here on the other side, we have another shot of the running boards. And there is the badge. Got a hood ornament. Supposed to have wings, but like a lot of these, it broke off. I think they were made of plastic, so they weren't very sturdy. And we will get ready to hop on in and start it up. Everything's original. The headliner is new. We also have a trailer brake put on. Let's start it up. There's no sweeter sound than a 12 valve. It has 235,000 miles. And there's no better smell than diesel burning